India stayed silent for weeks, but when its deputy army chief finally spoke...
So we saw Pakistan one side, but adversaries were two, and if I would say actually four, or three actually. So Pakistan was the front face. We had China providing all possible support. Turkey also played a very important role in providing the type of support that was there.
The truth hit harder than any missile. India lost on May 10, and Pakistan made sure the world saw it.
Pakistan says the country has launched a retaliatory military operation against India.
Operation Sindoor was India's big show, but it ended in retreat. The deputy chief admitted some indigenous systems performed well, some did not very well. Let's be honest, Akash failed. Even the Russian-made S-400, supposedly untouchable, got hit at Adampur Air Base. So much for self-reliant India, he said. Thankfully, our population centers weren't targeted. But here's the truth, Pakistan chose not to. It had the range, it had the intelligence, but it had restraint. Unlike India, whose bombs landed on mosques in Muzaffarabad, homes in Bahawalpur, and civilians in 𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻. When you lose, blame everyone. Pakistan, China, Turkey, one border, three enemies. More like one army, three excuses. This isn't a strategy, it's damage control. He claimed China gave Pakistan real-time ISR. Maybe. But what about Lamoa, Kamkasa, Bika? What about Rafales, Apaches, Israeli drones? India spent billions, yet Chinese eyes in the sky beat American gear on the ground. And calling Pakistan a Chinese live lab from a country that imports 10% of the world's weapons. That's not analysis, that's irony.
And another thing that China perhaps has seen is that he's able to test his weapons against, say, various other weapon systems that are there. It's like a live lab which is available.
By that logic, Kashmir is India's lab to test tear gas and rubber bullets on its own people. Then came the Turkey complaint. A Muslim country stood by Pakistan, and India cries betrayal. After bombing religious sites, this isn't about who supports who. This is about India realizing it's isolated, militarily and morally. Operation Sindoor was supposed to project Indian dominance. Instead, it exposed Indian delusion. India lost on May 10. Pakistan held its nerve. And if there's a next time, the response will be even harsher.
हम आपको बार-बार ये बता रहे हैं कि हम तैयार हैं, आजमाना नहीं. But if they think that aggression is the path forward, our message is only this: we are ready, don't test it.